typhoon moves away from RP. Typhoon Butchoy had an international name of Ramasun. According to Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA, the Typhoon Butchoy did not cross the mainland, but because of the southwest monsoon would bring heavy rains. That was the reason why it triggered flooding and landslides in Quezon City, Palawan, Negros Occidental, Antique, Cebu, Bohol, Negros Oriental, Sarangani, Sultan Kudarat, North Cotabato, Basilan, and Sharif Kabunsuan. This typhoon brought a heavy rains in western Visayas, which caused a big destructions in the agriculture and infrastructure sectors in Negros Occidental. They lost a number of agricultural crops, fisheries, livestock, and poultry because of flood. The estimated amount of damage is at least 11 million. The government declared a state of calamity in 40 barangays in Iloilo City. The roads and bridges have been affected. The road from Bacolod City to Western Negros was totally damaged and it was cost around 6 million. In Quezon City, the protection along Barangay Bagong Silangan had collapsed. This typhoon is really destructive in such a way that almost 10,200 families have been affected.